On our previous lesson, we were discussing one-tail tests, but I mentioned then that there are situations in which you have two-tail tests. What is this? You have a two-tail test if the alternative hypothesis claims that the probability for an event to happen is different and not smaller than or bigger than the one associated with the null hypothesis. If you have a probability distribution, if you remember before, the alternative hypothesis, for the alternative hypothesis, you would have a probability bigger or equal to A being the probability associated with the null hypothesis, or smaller or equal. In this case, it's just different. Okay? If you would have now a probability distribution, it would correspond not only to this side or this side, it's going to be both. Okay? So this means that the part here in green is going to be the critical region. You have one in both sides. Okay? And everything else, obviously, is the acceptance region. So what does this mean in terms of the calculations? They are going to be pretty much the same, but you have to pay attention to the fact that given that the critical region is distributed in both sides, then you are going to test the probability that you are going to get from the test statistics, not against the significance level as it is, but against the significance half of the significance level, or the significance level divided by 2.